guys, we're in Concord, New Hampshire today. We're gonna wait for my dad to come. I don't know if there is another pedestrian. Alright. This is New Hampshire. Alright, there's the clock. Alright, see? There's cross. Alright, here's a nice bell. See that clock? So old. Wow, look at this. Looks nice. There's the bell, the largest bell. Nice. It's almost 11. Alright, this is the clock and Eagle Square Clock Tower. It looks nice. Much similar, much better than the Delacroix clock in New York City and Central Park. Looks nice. Alright, we'll wait for 5 minutes. Let me see what time. Alright. This is a water fountain here in New Hampshire. It looks nice. You gotta be careful. I'm going to take a closer look. Oh, those stairs are steep. They're not original. I'm going that side. Be careful, man. Looks nice. We're gonna wait for the next one at 12 because my mom just missed it. We're gonna wait at 12 p.m. We're going to film quick more in Boston before we go home tomorrow, the last day. Today's my last day in Boston because I'm going back to White Plains. Well, the summer's not over yet. Maybe we're gonna try to go to Delaware. I don't know if it's released yet. If not, we'll go on October instead. Oh wait, but October, we're gonna go to the top of the rock and in New York City. So, there's a train tracks. I don't know if there's no trains. I think it's abandoned. It looks nice. Alright, now we're gonna go back down. This is the whole city. Alright, let's go. Yeah, we're good. Alright guys, we're gonna go at 12 p.m. because we just missed this, right, Olive? Yeah. For mom. Except I just catch 11. We've gotta wait for 12. Alright, Shark Puppy, we'll wait for the next one because my mom just missed the bell. But remember, do not dox my mother's name, okay? Right, Shark Puppy? Yeah, for your safety. What do you think, old Elinor? Yeah, I'm in New Hampshire. Alright. 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 Are you guys alright? You want to go now? Yeah. Alright. Alright, I'll put you guys away. Please think about this place. I like it. Alright. Alright, let's go. Let's do 11:15. I think it's about to. Let's go back to the clock. Sorry, everybody. It's just my dad's phone. Don't everybody get confused. It's just the footage. But do not leak my parents' name, okay, guys? For your safety. Alright. I guess there's no 11:15. Let's try 30. Same as in Peekskill. Peekskill has 1/4. It's only 0. It's only 60 and 30 only. Alright, we'll wait for our next. I don't know if 11:17 because because that clock rang 11:02. We'll wait for 12:02, 12:01. Here's another one right here, but this one has with the weather temperature. They used to have one of those in Buffalo Wild Wings in White Plains, but they don't work anymore. Those clock temperature. They don't work in Buffalo Wild Wings in White Plains anymore because of the making a new one. But maybe it will be fixed soon. Sorry about that. My dad keeps annoying me. I don't want those. Get a hate face. Alright, 1 minute left. Almost 12. Hey! Gotta be careful with the spider webs. Alright, it's 12. Alright, now let's go back to Boston. Alright, here's a railroad crossing. We're gonna go to this park again. Looks like it's a little rainy. Well, we'll stay here a little bit. Here's the bell. There's a lot of boats. Alright. Alright guys, we're at the Riverfront Park again. This is gonna be 2 this time. Forgot the 30 chime. I don't know if we're not gonna reach the 4:30 chime because it's raining right now. We're gonna wait until 4, which is about 10 more minutes. Alright. After the 4 p.m. chime, we'll do a few more characters in my bag. Here's the fireman statue behind the flowers. Looks cute. Kind of looks like Chase McCabe, fireman, which is in the girlfriend named Natalia, the Lego minifigure character, or Lego City Undercover. I didn't do Concord yet because I was about to start at Peekskill today. So I'm gonna come back when I get home. I'm going to play a quick 100% guide at Concord. I finished at Fresco, Paradise Sands Airport, Lego City Airport, Uptown, Blackwell Bridge, Bluebell National Park, Fort Meadows, Auburn Bay Bridge, Cherry Tree Hills, and Arbonne. Sorry about that. Alright, I'll wait for a little bit. So I'm going to do also I'm going to do I don't know, I forgot. You know what, I'll forget it. Train to Poughkeepsie's coming. Watch by the crossing. Just a few minutes about the bell. Alright, 1 more minute for the bell. Sounds like the New Hampshire Eagle Square Clock Tower. Here goes the train to the bridge. Yeah, I can't wait to see the next bell. Oh, okay, owner. Sorry about your ears. Oh. It's only one.